Meaning of fingering.
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 Fingering. In music, fingering refers to the placement and movement of the fingers on a musical instrument, such as a piano or guitar, in order to produce the desired notes. Fingering can greatly affect the sound quality and ease of playing a particular piece of music. Proper fingering can make a difficult passage easier to play, while incorrect fingering can lead to mistakes and a less polished performance. Effective fingering techniques involve precise coordination, dexterity, and muscle memory. Overall, fingering is an essential aspect of playing a musical instrument with accuracy, fluidity, and expression.